Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday, August the 4th, and the kids and I had to make an emergency trip back home from church. My aunt called me this morning. My mom was having some issues, so we snapped back over here to get her all squared away. She is squared away right now, but we're waiting for the nurse to come, and she had some unnecessary bleeding from her nose. She's on 24-hour oxygen. I think it's just a result of that. But she did bleed in the house. So we've cleaned up everything that we needed to clean up and everything that we could visibly see. That was blood. And she bled here in the kitchen. So this is zone 2 for flylady, which is the kitchen and the pantry. And because I want to make sure that we didn't miss any spots, the kids and I are going to go ahead and start cleaning. We are waiting for the nurse to come. She should be here within the next 15-20 minutes or so. But we're going to go ahead and try to make sure that we get anything that could have possibly been dripped on, leaked on, or anything like that, just so that we have proper sanitariness in our house, specifically in our kitchen. So I have already opened up my, let's see, that way, this way, that way. There we go. I've opened up the stove and I have sprayed down just the door part. I'm not going to run the self-clean cycle until fall. When it's fall, I run the self-clean cycle because it won't heat up the house so bad. We'll need the heat around that time. So I am going to clean the door of the stove out. These are just dishes that need to be put up. They are washed. They just need to be put up in the cabinet, so I'll get Jackson on that. I am going to sweep and mop the floors for today, and then I think I'm going to get the kids to do the microwave. So I think we'll get the microwave done, and we will do the dishwasher with the stainless steel cleaner, and then wipe down the fridge. And then we will possibly do the kitchen table, where we'll wipe everything down because I'm going to move it out anyway, just so I can make sure I get the floors done real well. And we just thought we'd bring you guys along. It is Sunday. Church is still going on. We hate to miss, but we needed to come and check on her to make sure everything was well. So we will get started and bring you guys along. So I just thought I'd show you guys my Sunday outfit. I was all dressed and I was standing on the podium, on the platform for singing when I got the call. So I had to scoot out real quick. Fortunately for me, I stand on the side, so I could just scoot out real quick with no problem. But I'm wearing one of the white dresses. Now, this is a dress, right? It's a size 16. But for me, it is shorter than what I would wear anywhere. So, this is mid-thigh. I know some people who would wear a dress mid-thigh. That's not Shakima's comfort level. It does have pockets, which I really do like. It has a thick lining underneath. But I always feel better to wear it with a pair of leggings. And these actually are just pants. They're not even leggings. They're just pants. And I got these pair of black peep toes and ankle strap shoes from my Facebook group. I paid $5 for those. And then this dress was gifted, so I didn't pay anything for it. So this is my gifted and thrifted outfit of the day. I still have on my clothes because we came in and just started doing stuff to make sure that we had everything cleaned up before the nurse came. We stripped the beds. We got laundry going because there was blood all over the bed, so we had that going. But anyway, I didn't have time to change my clothes. We did wear gloves to make sure that we didn't get contaminated with anything. But now I'm going to at least pop my shoes off and put on a pair of socks and get started in the kitchen. Alrighty friends, so the kids and I are done. We have done the stove. You guys, can I just say one thing? I want to show you this, right? So this is my stove. I use the stove all the time. I did not clean out the inside of the stove. Like I said, I'm going to run a self-cleaning mode on that when it's fall, when it's not as hot. But I do want to show you this door, y'all. I had to revoke my own cleaning card. This was the nastiest thing. It had food and nastiness. But I was trying everything. I did baking soda, I did vinegar, I did oven cleaner, nothing. What I ended up doing was putting some of that Wyman's glass top cleaner that you use for the glass flat top. It's called Wyman's. I get mine at Harris Teeter. And that actually, with a little bit of EBG, y'all, a little elbow grease, and a scrubby, like a scrubber pad. I went looking for Brillo pads. They did not have any. But I used one of those green scrubby pads, and after a lot of scrubbing, it actually became clean. So I will run the self-clean cycle in the fall. Like I said, when it's not as hot. It's too hot, and then all those fumes, you need to open the windows, and it's just too much. So I did wipe down all of the counter surfaces. There's my kid. Thanks, Jax. I wiped down all of the counter surfaces. Alana cleaned out the microwave. We did not catch that on video, but she did clean out the microwave. And I wiped the stove top down. And then over here, thank you, Jackson, we did the sink and got everything from over there all taken care of. So for right now, we are done with whatever it is, Fly Lady Day 1, because it's Sunday. So we do have our pantry still to do, and the last thing I really want to do in my kitchen is wipe down all of my cabinetry doors. I know Sophia uses something like a lemon oil, and I want to find something. Right now I don't have anything, so I'm just going to use like a degreaser to clean them. But that's the only other thing I want to do in my kitchen. I do keep a pretty clean kitchen, although that oven had my nerves bad. I was like, you have wronged everybody that has eaten in your house lately, because that oven should not have been like that. So if you have eaten here, I have wronged you. I apologize. Please forgive. But anyway, there it is. The kids and I are tired. We've had an eventful morning into the afternoon. It is 1:50, 20, what time is it? 1:30. And we have not eaten since about 8 a.m. So we're going to get some lunch. I've got a couple videos to film and edit. We do thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.